Okay, here's our video for AKC beginner scent work. This is Abra. Today Abra's going to find her ball. So we are going to take Abra and put her in the bathroom so she won't see where I hide it. Come on, Abra, get up. Come on, come on. There you go, hold on. Let's go in the bathroom. Come on, Abra. There you go. Good girl. Take your leash off. There you go. I'll be right back. Stay there. Okay. So Abra's locked up in the bathroom. We're going to go hide the ball out here. Here's the dining room. Okay. And Abra's down that hallway right there. Right there, so she doesn't see us. We're gonna hide her tennis ball. Let's see. Let's put it in this pot. There we go. Okay, so she won't be able to know where it is. All right. Let's go get Abra. Okay, Abra, we're coming. Come on, let's go find your ball. Come on, go find your ball. Let's go find your ball. Where is it? Find it. Find your ball. Find it. Oh, wow. Good girl. Did you find your ball? Let's see. Good job. Good girl, Emma. Good girl. You want to play ball? Yes. We're going to play ball. We're going to play ball. Ready? Get it. There you go. Good job, Abra. Good job. Good girl. Good job.